magma or lava on the earth. So we have the plate and we have to put it without spreading it. Just put the marmalade. This represents the magma. For the next, we're going to use this cracker, this cookie that is representing the tectonic plate. Remember, the tectonic plate is part of the crust of the earth. We're going to cover the tectonic plate with an abundance of Nutella. That Nutella represents the soil. It's also part of the crust. Don't put a little bit, just need to put a little. Okay? When we put it, we're going to place, without pushing down, we're going to place it carefully on the top of the magma in this way. And then we're going to use another tectonic plate to do exactly the same. Remember, when we walk on the earth, we cannot see the tectonic plates because they are covered with big layer of soil and rocks. So we have the exercise, but we perhaps need a little bit more of marmalade in there. So we put them together, and because when we walk on the earth, as we walk, we cannot see the division between tectonic plates. So we have to be very gentle and spread the soil, which is the Nutella, yes? So when you walk in there, you can just not see anything, right? So we're going to represent the movement. We're going to represent the movement, the three types of movements that we have on the tectonic plates. And then we are going to see the result of the formation of the reliefs. The reliefs are also called landmarks. Okay? So, let's get ready. And we're going to represent the first tectonic plate movement. The first one, okay, here. The first move we have, it's called transform. This transform movement is the two tectonic plates are going to slice one in front of the other one. And then we'll see what happens with the soil in the middle. Maybe we need to apply a little bit more of soil in the middle. Yes? So we're going to see what's happening, okay? What does it forms, okay? There. Okay, so as it slides, as the tectonic plate slides, look what happens. Look the formation. Maybe you can see what's the formation, okay? It forms ridges. You can put it in here. Ridges, okay? This one, as they slide, you see the rig, the little movement in here, the wave, okay? These are moving, causing ridges. And you can see here how they could little by little separate and form maybe an island or maybe a different continent. You see? Okay, so let's go with the second movement for this. Okay, you take the picture in here, you guys. Take the picture, label it. The name of this movement is transform movement of the tectonic plates. You can also put a little arrow pointing here the size where they move. The second movement, we have to put the the tectonic plates together again on the top of the magma. And you also are going to use them. Okay, we put like this, so nothing has happened, everything is fine. Let's check what happens with the second movement, okay? In the second movement, the tectonic plates move to separate each other. And that is the movement called divergent. Divergent movement goes like tectonic plates go. So if you can focus what happened in the center, you see? The tectonic plates move. They form valleys in the middle. But also, if they move forward, if we move more, look, the lava or the magma will form, so we have lava. And when the lava gets dry, it will become a new crust. Okay? It's another formation, land formation. That's the way the valleys are formed. Okay? They also is the way that trench or oceanic trenches are formed. Okay? So you take a picture of this. So you see you have a cape in here in the middle. Remember, the cape is a bunch of soil laid on the earth, right? Okay, so you take a picture and you also put arrows going one that way and the other one that way. Okay, so in the way that the tectonic plates get separated. Okay, so that will be the second picture you are going to upload. Okay, now let's go ahead and do again, put them together to represent the third type of movement. To represent the third type of movement, we are going to use a little bit more. So we spread again the soil. Remember, you can use Nutella or you can use peanut butter if you're not allergic to nuts. Okay, so we have it in here. Yes. And the last tectonic plate, the last movement of the tectonic plates we're going to represent is the movement of the two plates crashing together, okay? When the two plates crash, it tends to have one tectonic plate going on the top of the other one. You see? Like this, and it will come up. They will get all the soil, and in the top we're gonna see a little mountain. So this is the way of mountains are formed. This movement is called convergent movement, okay? And also create volcanoes. Why volcanoes? Because when these tectonic plates gets in touch with the lava, it will melt. And as it melts, it gets a lot of lava forming in here. So in another place of the world, the lava, that lava has to come out in the form of a volcano, okay, in this some other place. Let's see what happens in the real time. So if you can put it like this. Yes, so you can see, let's see. Okay, we are gonna see, we have this little earthquake, well not big, it could be little or big earthquake. So we're gonna go like this, crashing, you see, and that's why big mountains are formed. And that's, for example, the formation of here, you see, we have big mountains forming.